2016 Ford F-150 XLT 5.0. Look at that, Coyote. Got custom wheels, lift, and what we got done on it. And he had to keep it low. I don't know why, just to piss me off. By the way, guys, if you don't know, I'm 6'4". A little bit of more information about me. Anyways, we crossed it here. 2 1/4 all the way back. True dual into some massive 6-inch tips out the back, right there and right there. There's the complete stock exhaust hose on it, tailpipe, muffler, resonator, white pipe. We cut all that off and ran it new. Make it clap, make it sound really, really good, as you guys can see. There it is, all the way back. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. Ford F-150 True Dual with 6-inch tips. Again? Perfect. I love it. Go to back it out. That's perfect. Sexy, clean look. It's just strong. He's in the Army, guys. We appreciate his service. All the way from Arkansas. Wow. Let you guys hear it on the inside. '16 Ford F-150 True Dual with 6-inch tips. 2 1/4 all the way back. Sounds all quiet and idle, like there's nothing on it. And then when he steps on it, it becomes insanely loud.